to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Time is 10:50 a.m. और मैं अभी grocery करके घर आई हूँ, just like you saw. So I dropped the girls off to daycare around 9. उसके बाद मैं कैस्पर के साथ walk पे गई थी for an hour. So there's a trail very close to the daycare. So I park my car there and then we walk or even run in between for an hour. And then I dropped him home and then went back to do grocery because I had to get a lot of stuff like milk, fruits. Also I got some eggs, tofu and stuff like that because I'm trying to increase my protein intake every day. And I'm trying to not eat a lot of meat, but I do eat chicken, fish once in a while, but mostly it's all vegetarian stuff like tofu, paneer, soy chunks, dals, eggs and stuff like that. So I wanted to get all that stuff. But अभी मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लग रही है because I've been really active since about 6:30 in the morning. So I'm quickly going to make some breakfast and then we'll catch up soon. October 11th is Remembrance Day, and this is what Amira made in her daycare. Amira is my older daughter. She is almost 3 years old. So they made a Canadian flag and a poppy hat, I think that was. So I always collect things that are memorable. I don't collect all her artwork, but yeah, so that's what I've saved. And here I'm just making 2 eggs sunny side up. And I like my eggs to be a little runny, not too well done. I had 2 brioche bread left, so that's what I'm heating up. Normally I would just eat one, and I think I overate that day, but oh well, you learn from your mistakes or you learn from your experiences. So it was a pretty heavy breakfast, but it had good protein and carbs, and I was really full after this. It's been 15 months since I had my second daughter, और मुझे अभी लगा कि it's high time कि मैं अपना health और fitness को seriously लूँ. So I'm working with a nutritionist, and what I've learned is increasing your protein intake is so important when you're trying to lose weight, and not just weight, but you're trying to cut down the fat and build more muscle. So that's what I've been trying to do, and of course चाय तो बनती है. तो अभी टाइम हुआ है 11:30 as you can see, and after a pretty heavy and delicious breakfast and healthy breakfast, अभी मेरा थोड़ा सा me time है, तो मैं आराम से बैठ के चाय पीऊँगी and just relax. Lunch time हो गया था, but I was not hungry. So it's 1:17 p.m. and I just decided to have a banana and an orange or a tangerine. I don't know what that is, but the tangerine was super sweet and I loved it. And a little bit of vitamin C is very good every day, especially if you're trying to heal your core after having a baby. तो अब मैं कर रही हूँ डिनर की तैयारी. आज मैं लौकी और चना दाल की सब्ज़ी बनाने वाली हूँ. So I'm just taking 1 cup of chana dal. It's also good in protein. And I'm just going to wash and soak it for about half an hour. And I'm going to peel this lawki. One tip is do not store your lawki in fridge unless you know it's going to get bad, because then it cooks faster and it tastes much better. और ये है मेरी grocery आज. I got some mixed baby kale, some baby spinach, because including some greens is very important. For vitamin C, I got some oranges and colored bell peppers. Actually, they're very high in vitamin C, so make sure you do include them in your salads or stir fries or whatever. Some bananas. I got 2 eggplants and 2 avocados. I also got some milk, tofu, and other things which are already in the fridge. And for the girls, I got these arrowroot biscuits. I just randomly try new things with them, because sometimes giving them these kind of snacks is so important, and I always like to store it in a glass jar and eliminate the plastic packaging. Also, I got these pouches from Walmart, and they are super handy when we carry snacks like this or goldfish on the go. Instead of using those plastic Ziploc bags, these are super handy and very easy to carry. So for Lauki chana dal, I'm just going to add some salt and haldi. I added the Lauki and chana dal with some water in a pressure cooker. I'm going to mix all that up and close the lid and let it boil. For the masala, I took some mustard oil, added some jeera and hing. After that, I'm going to add 2 whole red chilies, dried red chilies. And once that crackles, I added 1 small onion finely chopped. Give it a nice stir and let the onion turn translucent. After that, I'm going to add some green chilies, ginger and garlic crushed, just roughly crushed, and then 1 tomato chopped. I added some salt and all the masalas like haldi, red chili and coriander powder. Give it a nice mix, and the salt will actually help cook the masalas faster and the tomatoes to soften. So I'm stirring it well, and I've kept the heat on low to medium. And as you saw, my Lauki chana dal is already cooking in the pressure cooker. Now I'm going to cover it and let it cook. अब मुझे थोड़ी सी भूख लगी थी तो मैंने आटे का हलवा जो बचा हुआ था वो थोड़ा सा ले लिया, not a lot. And here I'm cooking some rice. Finally, I added Lauki chana dal to the onion tomato mixture and added some cilantro on top, and it's all ready. It was super delicious and very healthy, of course. For the girls, I made this dough using beetroot and grated carrots, and I'm going to make parathas. I noticed that when kids do not eat vegetables as is, it always works when you grate the vegetables and add them to a dough and make parathas. Kids always love that, and you can ensure that the kids will get their nutrition and will eat their vegetables if they don't eat it just as is. So I'm making some parathas with some ghee for the girls. And that's it. We'll be having rice and Lauki chana dal for dinner, and the girls will be having these parathas. तो ये था मेरा what I eat in a day video and what I kind of do, what my routine is these days. और अभी mid November हो गया है, and the fall colors are still very much there, although the leaves have started falling now, and we're preparing for a very harsh winter soon. Snowfall कभी भी हो सकता है. But I love and enjoy my morning walks with Casper a lot. I really value them, and I'm so grateful I'm able to do that while the girls are at daycare. अब मैं घर आ चुकी हूँ और ये मेरा मी टाइम है. वॉक्स पे मैं कभी कभी पॉडकास्ट सुनती हूँ या म्यूज़िक सुनती हूँ, या कभी कभी आई जस्ट लिसन टू द बर्ड्स एंड नेचर अराउंड मी. तो मैंने डिसाइड किया है कि मैं अपनी लाइफ के छोटे क्लिप्स और छोटे इवेंट्स कैप्चर करके व्लॉग में शेयर करती रहूँगी. इफ़ यू लाइक इट, प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब, एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.